Round the clock. In the UK and the USA, children go to school from Monday to Friday. They study similar subjects, but are their school days the same? In the USA, teenagers go to high school. High school starts early, between 7 and 8 a.m. There are usually 4 lessons in the morning. There is a break between classes, which is usually 5 minutes long. At around noon, there is a lunch break. Most American high school students get lunch from the school canteen. A lot of students bring a packed lunch, and some students go home or to a restaurant for lunch. In the afternoon, there are 2 or 3 lessons. School finishes between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Some students go to after-school clubs, some students go to their part-time job, and other students go home to study. In the UK, teenagers go to secondary school. Lessons start at around 9 o'clock in the morning. There are usually 2 lessons and then a morning break. This is 15 or 20 minutes long. Then, there are 2 lessons before lunch. The lunch break is about an hour long. Some students buy food from the school canteen, and others eat a packed lunch from home. Then, there are afternoon lessons. School finishes at around 3:30 p.m. Some students go to after-school clubs, and others go home to do their homework. Schools in the UK and the USA aren't very different. UK students have more breaks, and they finish school later. American students start school very early. Some get up at 5:30 a.m. to get to school on time. What time do you get up to get to school on time?